Would you believe that algae is a clue to a healthy pond ecosystem? Algae is good for your pond. Okay, I wouldn't exactly say that algae is good for your pond. Unless you're a snail, then snails love algae. Back in California, where I used to live, I met a beekeeper who bought some plants from me. He was putting in a pond, and he said that he wanted the pond because his bees needed algae. And algae, of course, has protein. So I had a pond at my house, and I kept a pie plate full, not pie plate full. I kept it. It was the size of a pie plate, and here are the pictures that I took of the bees actually eating the algae. Honeybees love algae for its protein. Check it out. It kind of looks like
green beer.
The main culprits to algae growth are sunshine, can't help that, plant fertilizer, kind of need that if you want flowers, and feeding your fish too much. I do want to pause for a second here and talk about pond plant fertilizer. Although, yeah, only putting 1 tablet as suggested into your lily pot is good for plant growth and to get flowers. That's good. But also I've been reading, and I didn't believe it at first, but I've been reading that the stuff inside of pond plant fertilizer is actually good for fish and fish health and fish growth. But only use pond plant rated fertilizer. If you use something like Osmocote, that will release ammonia into the water and you'll end up with dead fish. This is my shade pond, and I've had it for 2 years. I haven't fertilized anything in the pond. It only gets morning sun, and notice no algae at all. But as soon as I started to fertilize the water lilies that are in my partial sun pond and in my sun pond, the algae just exploded everywhere. And here I am picking it out. The first algae to appear was actually in my small barrel pond. And it grew really globby thick. Yeah, I'm cleaning that one out too. I was at Walmart the other day and I saw this. I went, that would be great for scrubbing out my minnow pond. And then I saw my snails. They were just way too happy. I think it would be better for, scrubbing out a crawfish pot. This gives a whole new meaning to snail trail. These ram's horn snails are cleaning the algae off the edge of my pond, something I wasn't expecting. Check out the mosaic plant that I just put in a few days ago. It's looking great. And the variegated 4-leaf water clover, it's pushed its way up and the leaves are floating on the surface of the water. Absolutely stunning. I'm Gail, Ma Shelley, the pond plant girl. I'm a mosquito. Can't get away from them. Hey, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And like and subscribe. Of course, we want to grow the channel, right? Hey, have a great day and keep on being you. I better get out of here.